Okay.
Okay.
Get the Oscar.
Don't hit that one. I want a tail slash, bro. I want to do
You can hear it in there.
Oh my god, that was aggressive.
Alright.
These ones will launch it all the way across.
I'm trying to figure out how to go up. There we go.
It's like PS1 controls.
Come on, go
Yeah.
That's insane.
Gordo Dick Savage.
Right.
Oh, the down really gets you. If you push down, it just goes down like.
Dude, are you R1 spamming? This ain't Elden Ring, dude. Oh!
We got the slash, bro. We got the slash. He's pissed. He's pissed. I wasn't even trying. I was trying to figure out the whole thing.
Well, now you gotta get it out. You go all the way up. Go all the way up.
We're swimming with the fish, bro.
It's got a little coming.
I'm trying to. I gotta turn it to come over here.
Progress.